Okay, drive it over here. Oh no! Drive it. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi to Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
Say I love you all.
I love you.
Say I miss you all.
I miss you all.
Say come see me. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, drive your truck some more. Oh, you're getting really good at it, RJ. Oh, it crashed.
Yep.
Oh.
Has your stomach been acting better now?
Yeah.
It does?
Somewhat. It still has bad pictures, but. Oh.
Mom.
Hi. Oh. It's okay. Kiss it. Kiss it. Kiss it. Say bye.
Bye.
Love you. Where you going? Where you going, William? Just to do it all over again, huh? Oh my God, he's crazy. William, no more.
He's really gonna hurt himself.